So this is the actual product. It's very small, and it comes with these awesome stickers that you can decorate your fridge with. This is so cool, and they even use their own products in there. That's really good marketing. It has a little handle here. I think there's a plug in the back somewhere. Yeah, there's a power plug, which I think is inside here. So let me pop this open. And look how cute that is. It has like a little tray right there. The instructions. And the cord is right up here. So it's a nice, neat little fridge. 10 liters. I've seen bigger ones, but this is a nice, just general one. You can put all your bigger products here, and then your smaller ones up here on the levels. And you can take levels out if you need to. So I can definitely see myself using this. I'm super excited to start using this, and I'll do a more in-depth review in the future. So the code I used for this, if I didn't mention it before, was Bellino20. If you don't know what that is, check out Alexis Bellino, or just search Alexis Bellino, Real Housewives of Orange County. She was the one that did a review on this and gave her promo code for 20% off. So Teami Blends fridge, my unboxing for you guys. They pack it tightly, so it is really good. How they pack it keeps it safe. It's a good product, and it's double boxed, and that's a benefit because it prevents it from damage.